Hey guys, it's Becca, and I have got the 2018 limited edition Jolly Box. We're going to dive into this in just a second, but I want to give you a couple of things. First, I spent $48 on this, and the contents are supposed to retail for more than $55. We'll check that out at the end of the video. Second, I want to let you know this is not your traditional unboxing video. I'm not going to review or rate or tell you my thoughts on the items. I will, however, tell you what's in the box. I'll show it to you. I'll tell you how much Fat Quarter Shop is going to sell it for, and then you decide whether or not this was worth it. Leave a comment down below what you thought of the box, and if you like this video and would like to see more content like this, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. All right, first up is our little flyer. On the back of this is a coupon code. It is 25% off all Fat Quarter bundles. All right, here's my handy dandy pamphlet. We're gonna set this aside for later because I can tell it's fabric. I wanna go through the notions first. There is 10 yards of red and white baker's twine, which retails for $3.48. You can use this to decorate cards, gift packages, or hang up some ornaments. Here's a cookie cutter 2-piece acrylic template set, which retails for $9.98. And on the inside, you have got a house and you have got a tree. There are 2 friction erasable markers, one in red, one in green. This is the one item that, according to the pamphlet, is not a Jolly Box exclusive, so you can buy this on the Fat Quarter Shop website. I know a lot of quilters like these because you can mark your fabric and then use an iron to remove those marks. I don't personally use these because I know the marks do come back, and I would much rather use a water-soluble pen or some chalk because that will go away permanently. We have a Merry Stickmas gift tag sticker sheet, which includes 8 stickers. It retails for $2.98. The pattern for this box is the cookie cutter quilt pattern. This retails for $9.98. Last, but certainly not least, is 2 items. So they were a little tricky. They put the fabric inside a bag, but counted the bag as a gift to you. So the bag that we're looking at, which holds the fabric down inside, retails for $4.98. It's got red drawstring, and it's a nicely constructed little drawstring bag. The final item in the box is the North Pole Mini Fat Quarter Bundle by Stacy Est-Hugh, and I always pronounce her name wrong, or think I do anyway. It's funny, I was actually just making an ornament with a mini charm pack in this fabric, so that's cool. But it is a mini Fat Quarter bundle. It retails on the Fat Quarter website, Fat Quarter Shop website, for $22.98. So we've got, just give you a close-up of the fabric here. We've got blue with some white trees, some pink with some red trees, a green with white polka dot and snowman faces, a blue with white polka dots and snowman faces, a white print with some holiday words on it, another white print with a holiday scene, a blue print with that same holiday scene, and then a green print with some Christmas trees. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Fat Quarters in that bag. So this is the contents of my 2018 limited edition Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. All in all, I'm pretty happy. I love the fabric, so I'm excited about that. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And I'll put the retail price down below for the contents of everything that we added up in this box. Until next time, I'll see you later.